Welcome. If your HR team manages UK certificates of sponsorship in-house, you are likely underestimating the actual costs. In this video, we will compare DIY and professional CoS management, covering hidden costs, compliance risks, and a hybrid model for your team. Most HR teams budget zero for CoS management, assuming it is just staff time. However, when you factor in the time for filing, vetting, record maintenance, and potential errors, the true cost can reach up to £70,000 per year. A single error can lead to visa refusals or significant civil penalties. Comparing DIY and professional services, professional support typically ranges from £500 to £1,500 per certificate. This approach provides OISC-regulated expertise, faster processing speeds, scalability, and, importantly, ensures your organization remains audit-ready at all times. DIY can work for smaller teams with fewer than 10 certificates and highly documented processes. However, you should consider professional support if you manage more than 15 certificates annually, deal with complex out-of-country transfers, or have recently faced home office compliance warnings. Mid-market employers adopt a hybrid model. You might choose to outsource high-risk, out-of-country defined certificates to specialists, while managing lower-risk, in-country switches in-house. Additional options include using specialists for annual mock audits or support during peak hiring surges. Professional management offers the highest value for tech, construction, hospitality, and growing small businesses. The switch is efficient, typically taking only 1 to 2 weeks, and allows the provider to take over filings while you retain full oversight of your sponsor management system. To summarize, if you manage fewer than 10 certificates, DIY with strong procedures may suffice. Between 10 and 15, consider hybrid options. Beyond 15, professional management is recommended for clear ROI. Visit Jobbatical.com to book a free consultation and discuss your compliance needs.